Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, today on this construction site I will guide you for some big mistakes in the construction of this RCC slab and floor beam, also in column design. So let's get started guys. As you can see guys, this is floor beam design. Here guys we have in this floor beam 8 steel rods. As you can see, top steel rod dia is 20 millimeter. Width of this beam is 9 inches, depth is 18 inches. So this is not the accurate size of this beam, this floor beam, because they did not follow any structural drawing. They don't have any site supervisor. So therefore you can see guys, stirrup dia is 8 millimeter and this is just 2-story building. Spacing you can see guys, which is about 8 inches. Hooks you can see which are provided on 90 degree. And they provided here maximum steel rods in the construction of this slab also and floor beam. Next guys, you can see the size of this column is 14 by 14 inches. Inside they provided PVC pipe for rainy water. Next guys, you can see here. On the other hand guys, you can see clearly, if you see it's shuttering is also not proper according to design. Guys, you can see everything is wrong in this construction. You will find more than 60% lapping length in the construction of this slab. Guys, you can see dia is 12 mm for main bars, distribution bars. Spacing is 6 by 7 inches. Guys, you can see here, this is the junction between beam and column. If you see the beam, so you will see a lot of steel rods inside this beam. But this is just 2-story building, so they overload the structure for this building. Guys, you can see here, this is the other beam. So if you calculate steel rods inside this beam, so here we have more than 15 steel rods. More than 15 steel rods we have here. Look here guys, the spacing of this stirrups also you can see. This is the column is out of position. Simply I will guide you guys, if you are working on construction site, so be careful to do this kind of design. So you should follow the steel structural drawing, do proper supervision. Guys, you can see the column is out from its position. Clearly guys, you can see everything. So they used in one beam they used 3 types of steel rods: 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm. Actually, if you don't have the steel structural drawing, so you will confuse, and the steel fixer will be the structural designer for your project. So therefore I am guiding you guys, if you are working on construction site, if you want to build your house, so you should have the proper design to get a good result in the future, because they are just wasting the time as well as they are wasting their money. So they don't know what is steel structural drawing, what is beam, column, slab. They don't know anything, just they want to construct. If someone do anything, so they don't know. Look here guys, look here, the lapping length, more than 60% we have lapping length. So for lapping length we have the proper place. They provided double mesh here. Instead double mesh they provided lapping in any place. You can see the shuttering is open. They provided mud between the joints. Instead of plaster tape they provided mud. Look here guys. Why I'm showing you this kind of poor construction? To guide you, if you are working, if you are a student, if you want to build your house, so don't do this kind of work. Be careful. If you are spending thousands of dollars on the project, so why not? You should hire the structural engineer, the proper steel fixer to guide you, and you should have a talented site supervisor to do the proper supervision for steel structure, especially because the steel structure is very important for building. But I don't know why these people are doing like this. Hope this can help you on site. Thank you.